this is Tarantine Company for another flat visit. So we are in an exceptional apartment in the center of Hanoi. So as you can see, this is the living room with two sofas. Between those a little table, a television, also Wi-Fi connection. There is ventilation and air conditioning also. Directly connected to a balcony. Outside it gets a big view on the lake. Vietnamese builder and also a kindly street. So let's continue this visit. On my right you will see the kitchen with many furnitures, fridge, forks, plates, boiler, heater. Big table. So there is one step with making a separation between the living room and the room. The first room on my right with a little bed in a big room, so maybe for your child. Another room with a big bed, two places. There is some commodity to put your clothes, one desk, and the bathroom. Alright, that's it for this one. Thank you.